To enhance your viewing enjoyment of this film, we brought together some of the finest wines that the world can produce. To start with, we suggest this champagne with hints of biscuit and oats, and just the slightest suggestion of inner tube. For those of you who want to be reminded of 3-day-old Lycra, nothing will beat this 3-year-old oaked Rioja. We brought you a beautiful Californian White Zinfandel, but don't hold back, it's a big wine. Breathe it in. You can taste the mountain bike gloves.
How's that then, Dave?
Easy.
Easy.
We'd now recommend this French Chardonnay with racy acidity, just the slightest hint, only for those with the most sophisticated palate, of chain lube. And to finish what every cyclist needs, a gorgeous dessert wine. So we've brought you this Sauterne with its unmistakable hints of deep heat.